here to 7692. We got our cards here.
We're on the Disney Wish.
I don't know how to get in.
92. We're trying to figure this out.
Let's see.
Maybe not.
I don't know how to get in.
World's best fails.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Here we go.
Welcome. Oh, good. The door's automatic. Look at that. We got some nice shelving as soon as you walk in.
Wow.
All right. I got to pay attention here. Oh, look at the beautiful scenery. Look at this. Welcome aboard, Gamboa family. Emma, you want to show us the bathroom? Oh, you know what? We have to slick our key card in. That's why none of the lights are turning on. All right, so you have to put something in here.
Now we have power. Okay.
There we are. Okay. Show me the bathroom, Miss Emma. Walk in. It's a nice big handicap accessible bathroom. There we go. We have a nice shower, bench, shampoo, conditioner, soap. Avery's bathing. Avery, would you like to show us? So we have a couch that converts into a bed.
What's behind here?
Closets for the staff. This drops down into a bunk bed. Would you like to show us our beautiful rainy balcony? Guess what? We're happy to play in the rain. Honey, top lock maybe?
Oh, it's open.
Okay.
Go.
Jesus. The wind got it, I see.
You think?
Oh, wow. Wow. All right, we're going to have to do that one again. Get it back.
World's
No,
best
no.
Is it like a tornado out there?
Yeah.
I want to feel.
No, you need to wait, dude. That's crazy.
I want
Like, I thought the-
Is this one?
No, that's a slider. That's probably safer. Do that one. Not the
Okay, here we go. We got a slider on this door. That's much safer.
Oh my god! It's so
Look at our table and chairs are totally blown over.
so dark windy! Are you looking the window?
There's so many alarms going off right now. Sorry for the wind sounds. It is insane out today. Oh my god.
How is it so dark?
There you go, guys. That's what it's like on a veranda in insane wind. It's up on top. That turns into a bed, and this one drops down, Emma. Our room steward has a special key that goes up in there to drop down that other bed. There's also
I can use my finger.
the ladders right here and a curtain for privacy. That's it for now. So that's Cruising with Kids. We are on the Disney Wish. We are in a handicap accessible room.
You have to remember to turn on the safe.
The safe.
You gotta always remember the safe. Safe is the most important thing.
All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.